Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Elite Properties, bringing you an exciting new listing in Tamarisk Country Club in Rancho Mirage, 71040 Tamarisk Lane. Come on in. This is one of the most unique listings coming on the market in Rancho Mirage. Located in Tamarisk Country Club, approximately 3,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, office, and a loft. It's custom to the max. The interior custom features ceramic wood tile plank flooring laid on a diagonal frame, quartz countertops, custom backsplash, new cabinets throughout, all custom window coverings, high-end appliances, and so much more. Welcome to the master bathroom. Number 1, you have huge tile floors, caesarstone countertops with a waterfall edge. This is all stone, backsplash here. You have a freestanding tub, 2 showers. One's your standard walk-in shower with multiple shower heads and hoses. Number 2, you have a big custom steam shower right here. Last but not least, you have a full custom closet package in the back. Welcome to the backyard. You have a full custom barbecue outdoor kitchen on the left side, full outdoor privacy here with entertainment and bar. You have a pool and a spa, custom pebbletech with obviously you can see these water features right here, and tons of privacy. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing in Tamarisk Country Club in Rancho Mirage, 71040 Tamarisk Lane. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties.